Welcome to Ridhivej Finance. We are presenting GMP prediction for CE Infosystem Limited, that is nothing but MapMyIndia. This is one of the web app-based company, and yes, this company has achieved our subscription prediction target. And yes, absolutely, it is one of the biggest company which has really hit the market in case of subscription. So you can have a look around our GMP prediction in nearest future. Hope it will be also comes true. We have achieved a subscription prediction by Ridhivej Finance. You can have a look around our previous video, which is mentioned as Map My India video for IPO detail, where we have mentioned the predictions about how much at least it can be get subscribed. And yes, our maximum given prediction is a 120% has been subscribed by Map My India. So in that case, you can have a look around this video. We are talking about the CE Infosystem Limited IPO 2021. IPO opening date will be 9th December 2021. IPO closing date will be 13 December 2021. Issue type will be book build issue IPO. Face value rupees per equity share IPO. Price band between 1000 to 1033 rupees only per equity share. Market lot size will be 14 shares. Minimum order quantity will be 14 share, and listing guide NSE and BSE. Basis of allotment date will be 16 December 2021. Initiation of refund will happen on 17th December 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account will happen on 20th December 2021. And IPO listing date will be expected on 21st December 2021. Dear investors and viewers, subscription prediction for CE Infosystem Limited, that is Map My India. We have predicted that we expect subscription between the 40% to 120%, and it has also, we have given 175 is another target, but unfortunately it has completed 120% more than that. It has subscribed 154. It is has subscribed 154.71%. So absolutely 120% target has completed. You can look around that we have achieved the subscription prediction. So hopefully we are expecting something good from the positive signal from the GMP2. If you see the report of CE Infosystem, that is Map My India subscription report over here, in that case you can see there is large number of qualified institutional buyers are interested, and they show the interest 196.3%, including foreign institutional investor, domestic financial institution, banks, financial institute, and insurance companies, where mutual fund is also available there. If you see non-institutional investors also subscribe this IPO 424.69. I think this is one of the biggest because the IPO size is different than the previous one, which has big numbers, including corporate investors and individual investor other than RRIS. If you see retail individual investor also show the interest in 15.20, where if you see the overall this number of total mint for total times for of total mint for the category has subscribed 154.71%. So absolutely good subscription has come to the pictures. So we can say we will watch it on the day of listing too. Ridhivej Finance expected GMP, or we are hoping this GMP from Map My India. GMP prediction for CE Infosystem Limited IPO. This we are not expect this company should show discount offer. So that's the reason we are expect at least it has been get subscribed at the GMP on the day of listing. It can open up around minimum INR we are expecting this can give 1400 INR, and maximum it can goes up to 1700 or 1800 around that. And suppose it extremely goes up, it can show 2100 INR or more than that, means 2100, 2300, like that. So we will watch it how much big GMP returns on the day of listing by MapMyIndia. Hopefully thumbs up. And yes, if you like our so MapMyIndia really do great business. They are having large number of MNC client, and yes, we are expecting this GMP. Thank you by Vridhivaj Finance. Dear investors and viewers, on the weekend we will upload another 2 video for targets. You can see we have achieved the Anand Rathi and Tega Industry IPO GMP predictions. So you can have a look around that.